Hello everybody, today I will review the HPRT MT800 Portable A4 Thermal Printer. This printer is exceptionally compact, lightweight, and can print on a paper size of 216. The printer comes with a Bluetooth connection and it's powered by batteries. So let's start the unboxing. The printer comes in a simple cardboard box, just a simple sleeve which contains the printer itself. And when it comes to the accessories, this printer comes with user manual, USB cable Type-C. The printer is almost 200 grams. It's extremely compact, and the printer's case is made of a durable shock-resistant material which protects the printer from scratch or damage. Now let's take a look at what the printer looks like. On the front side, we have the power button, the on and off switch. On the rear side, we have the micro USB for charging, and we also the Bluetooth connection. You can replace the ribbon by pushing the button, removing the tape, and installing a new tape. The printer comes with thermal tapes already installed and only supports RFID thermal tapes. So let's power on the printer, and then let's connect it to our phone via the Bluetooth connection. The printer comes with its own app, and the app itself is extremely easy to use. The printer has a print resolution of 300p. Using the application is very easy and very useful. Direct printing is possible from the application menu. You can edit the image quality automatically if you add a color picture. For instance, it automatically changes it to black and white. Let's try it out and begin printing. we can see that the print resolution is amazing. The printer can print up to 70 pages on a single charge, and the printer can print on both plain paper and thermal paper. When the printer is on standby, it will last for up to 26 hours, and the printer is extremely easy to use. Moreover, the printer supports factory original A4 paper in 214 size and can be used for outdoor, home office, travel, student, and automatic printing. So that's all for this review. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.